Welcome to OpenLegacy Hub. In this video, we will see just how easy it is to integrate with your legacy Oracle database system using APIs created with the OpenLegacy Hub. Please note, we have already downloaded and installed the OpenLegacy CLI. You can find explanations, details, and links in the video description below. We enter OL login and our API key to log into the hub. In this first step, we will create a module. A module is a component of an API that connects directly to the data source. It comprises one or more assets, a connector, and configuration details. First, we open the CLI, enter the command OL create module, and enter the details. Then we must change directories to the module directory. We copy the OL test connection command from the guide to test the connection to the mainframe. Assets are the legacy source file metadata in JSON format. They are the smallest functional unit of an API. Add the GetPolicy and GetPolicy executables to the module using the CLI commands from the guide. Before testing the assets, make sure to navigate to the module directory. We copy the input JSON from the guide and replace the input JSON file in the project. Then we enter OL test asset with the name of the asset to run the test and display the results. To test the GetPolicy asset, we update its input JSON file with the policy ID we just created using the OpenPolicy asset. OL push module will push the newly created module to our account in the hub. We will now create a new project in the hub from the CLI. Copy the OL create project command from the guide. Running the command will create a project in the hub called Policy Oracle Microservice with the Policy Oracle module and automatically generate the contract. The system lets us know if it succeeds. Update the name of the project and your API key in the Policy Oracle no-code JSON file. Then run the Docker Compose command from the guide. We will now test the API from the browser using OpenAPI. OpenAPI, also known as Swagger, is a standard specification that allows us to interact with a properly defined service and test it. After we open a browser window to OpenAPI from the localhost 8080, we select the OpenPolicy API and click the Try It Out button. We enter the input data and click Execute. The system returns the response. We use the returned policy ID to test the GetPolicy API, and we see the system's response. Returning to the hub, we can see the Policy Oracle microservice under the Projects tab. We can see three views of the project: an overview, the modules, and the contract. Thank you for watching this video. For links and other details, please see the description below. If you have any questions, please contact us at OpenLegacy.